Hello, I am married. I am an experienced online tutor, especially in maths and French. I have 13 years of teaching experience and 5 years teaching online. I have a bachelor degree in chemical engineering and a postgraduate diploma in education. I also have diploma in French language studies. I have worked with students ranging from 4 to 11 years. As an elementary math tutor, my goal is to help my students build confidence, curiosity, and love for learning. Mathematics is all around us, so I believe every child learns differently. So through hands-on activity and personalized teaching method and creative new strategies, everyone feels supported. So let's get started on this journey together. Book a lesson with me. Thank you.